Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Max and Jack's Art Club. We're going to be drawing a cat today. So first, start with this. A head. And then after your head, make some ears. After that, you could make a nose. Then that, and then you get it. Then that. Now you're gonna do this. So after you did that, you do this in the ears. Now you do, after those ears, you do this. Right here. Then you go right here. That's a very chubby cat, guys. Now make the eyes. It's gonna be a sleeping cat. Now put the Then, after you do that, make a foot. Do that. Then, after you do that, make a claw. Then, after you do that, with all that, make some stripes. Then more stripes. 2 there, and then right here. Then go for a tail. Now you put line. Now we're done. Now, after we do that, we're gonna start coloring. So, if you notice, red is my favorite color. So we're gonna use some things that, yeah, good. That I like. And that ears. Let's do that. Then after you do that, go to red again. For this side, we do this. I know you guys can't smell off of camera, but this marker smells so good. This is gonna be a red cat. And yes, this is Jack, not Max. Everybody is supposed to know that. Then after we do all this, the head, yeah, we're gonna do some like scribble scrabble over there. Then color over this. Get the nose. Yeah, don't forget about the nose. Then thus use a little line there, and then they'll know you're stopping red. And then get yellow. Then what you want to do is this. Do this a little. Then after you do that yellow, you're gonna use it right here. And this time, you have to use a different side. We're gonna connect this with a different color because it looks weird. I know. Ow! That hurt. So yeah. Now we're gonna go on to different colors to get in this one. Oh no, I kind of messed that up, but I don't want to count it. Just scribble, scrabble. Scribble, scrabble. Scribble, scrabble. 54 minus. What's 6 times 3? Guys, what's 6 times 3? I know. I'm gonna tell you guys at the end of this video. It's almost the end. And yeah, we're almost done. Okay, we're done. So now you want to do the, you want to spread it out and then you're done. Maybe you could cut it out if you wanted to. Maybe. Oh, I forgot a final touch. I need to get some scissors, maybe, because I want to cut it out if I can do it. Scissors! I'm going to wait for my scissors. They're going to come. Okay, here are my scissors. I'm not going to completely cut it I'm gonna cut over like a little bit like this. So then throw that scrap away. Either way, I don't have trash near here. Why is this spreading out? Then come for this side. It's my thing to do. Like, come right here. Then now we have the ear. Then do this. Yeah, give a shout out to Unspeakable. He does awesome videos. For real. Then try to get the very last cut, and then just go around. Guys, what would you rather do? Cut for the rest of your life? Or would you rather, like, talk for the rest of your life? I would talk for the rest of my life. Because that's what humans do. Comment down below which one you want to do. I've been thinking about what I should do for the next video. Then, after you're done with that, you gotta cut this off. Yeah, cut this off. Now we gotta cut this off. Yeah, you can forget about right here. We're gonna do that. Yep, my brother. I feel like this is gonna come out not so good. But at least it's good for the first time. You want to know something? What's 6 times 3? 18. So I tell you what 6 times 3 is. 18. So guys, after you do that, like, you don't have to color the same as me, but after you do all this, you're done. Look, it's a cat. And if you want to know, I use permanent marker, so I had to have 3 layers under me. So, wait, this way 18. This is not 3 layers. But bye-bye. I'll see you in the next video.